Should a wife forgive her husband for cheating if he's an amazing husband and fulfills all of his obligations and duties, but he made a mistake?
There is nothing to say forgive or not forgive. You have to study the situation. You have to look at the whole picture and make a decision. All I want to say is do not make a decision on the spur. No, give it a bit of time so that dust can settle and you can see clearly. If the guy made a mistake, what is the mistake? How bad was it? To what extent did it go? And then you also need to look at what would it entail. Do I want to help him to come out, or have I just had enough? So all of this, then you make a decision. But I'm saying don't just divorce simply because of a blunder. You may want to do that if the situation entails that. But you need to think about the whole picture, especially if you have kids and you have so much. And there was one mistake he made. We're living in an age where, as much as it is a hypersexual age, it is also very, very unforgiving.